National Solidarity Day, which is celebrated on 20th October every year. This day is a historic day in the history of Indian democracy. On 20th October 1962, China launched a surprise attack on India. We as Indians were defeated in the conflict, but the entire country was united and in one voice condemned the act of Chinese aggression, who played cowardly and attacked us. With the independence of the Republic of India in 1947 and the formation of the People's Republic of China in 1949, one of the policies of the Indian government was maintaining a cordial relationship with China, as a neighboring country. In 1951, with the Chinese invasion of Tibet, tensions started growing, with India registering a straw in protest on the Tibet issue. In 1954, India and China concluded the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence under the Panchsheel Agreement. However, tensions increased after Tibetan leader Dalai Lama escaped into India and was granted asylum in March 1959. Chinese perception of the threat to its rule in Tibet became the most prominent reason for the Sino-Indo War. India never expected China to launch an attack. India was surprised by the sudden attack by Chinese troops on 20th October 1962 in Aksai Chin and parts of then Nepal. The war continued for about a month and ended on 21st November 1962 with the Chinese declaring a ceasefire. It was a war in which India was defeated, but it won the aspiration and unity of every Indian. Today we celebrate this day as a day of thinking and improving our capability, capacities and our military strength. It is time for us to introspect on what we have achieved and what we should do to protect our borders. Jai Hind.